This is a Rainbow Workbook lesson for English First Additional Language, Grade 4, Term 2, Lessons 37, 38, 39 and 40. In this lesson, the topics of focus are the story called The Terrible Twins and on making sentences and describing things. Reading time. Hi everyone! We are going to read a story in groups. This is a story about twins and what happened to them one day at school. Follow the story and get ready to read with your group. Let's read the title of the story together. The Terrible Twins. Good! Now Group 1 will read up to where the dogs chased the twins. Let's begin. It was one April. Todd and his twin brother Ted woke up early, washed, brushed their teeth and dressed for Comic Day at their school. Comic Day is a fun day when children wear their funniest clothes to make everyone laugh. The twins were very excited. They looked in the mirror and giggled. "We will be the funniest in the whole school," Todd said to Ted. The twins put some slime on their hair. Todd painted his face. He dressed in green and wore a green hat. Ted wore a gorilla mask. Eventually, after an hour of dressing, the twins walked to school. Everyone stared and pointed at them. The dogs chased them. That was lovely reading. Group 2 will now read the rest of the story. When they arrived at school, they realized they had the wrong date. They were the only kids who were dressed up. Why? Comic Day was only on 5 May, more than a month away. The children laughed. Some of them took photos of the twins on their cell phones. Even their teachers laughed. Their teachers asked if it was an April Fool's joke, but it wasn't. The twins felt embarrassed at first. Then they saw what a funny mistake they had made, and they also started laughing. Have you ever done something that made you feel very embarrassed? Put up your hand and tell your teacher. Very good reading. Wordplay. Hi everyone. Listen to some sentences and see if you can find the mistakes and correct them. Listen to the first sentence. The month before May is February. Did you hear a mistake? There is something incorrect in the sentence. What month comes before May? Yes, April comes before May. Say, April comes before May. Nice! Listen to another sentence now. The funny clown made me cry. Is there something wrong with that sentence? Clowns normally make people laugh, don't they? Let's say, the funny clown made me laugh. Great! Listen again. In the morning, I brushed my face with soap. What is the mistake? Yes, it should be. In the morning, I washed my face with soap. Let's say that again. In the morning, I washed my face with soap. Well done, Grade 4. Sentence play. We are going to practice using joining words. Let's see if you can join these sentences with one of the following words. And, then, before, or but. Listen carefully to the sentences and choose a word to join them. He dropped the cup. It broke. Which word can we use to join these two sentences? Let's use the word before and see if that makes sense. Listen carefully. He dropped the cup before it broke. Does that make sense? You're right. It doesn't really make sense. Let's use the word and see if that makes sense. Say the sentences with me and join them with the word and. He dropped the cup and it broke. Does that make sense? Yes! Well done! Now let's listen to another 2 sentences. He put on sunscreen. He went outside to play. Which word should we use to join these 2 sentences? Let's try the word before. Say it with me. He put on sunscreen before he went outside to play. Yes, that makes sense. Listen again and decide which word to use here. She wanted to go swimming. It was raining. Should we use but, then, or and to join these 2 sentences? Let's use the word but. Say it with me. She wanted to go swimming, but it was raining. Good. Listen again. They do their homework. They go outside to play. Let's use the word then to join these 2 sentences. They do their homework, then they go outside to play. Super work! Sound play. We are going to listen to the sound made by the letter I, as in the word twin. We call it the short E sound. Listen to these words. Twin. His. Can you hear the short E sound? Let me say the words again slowly. Tw-e-n. Twin. H-e-z. His. The I in these words make the short sound, which is different to the I in words like bike. Say twin. Good. Now say his. Terrific. Let's look at some more E words. Listen to the word and then say it. The first word is in. Say in. Yes. Now listen for the E word in this sentence. I can help you if you come to my house. Did you hear it? Which word has the E sound in it? Well done. If is the E word in that sentence. Listen to the next sentence. I planted a seed in the garden. Which word is the E word? Lovely. It is in. Well done, children. Playtime. Let's play I traveled by train and I saw. We are going to pretend that we are going on a train trip. Think about what you might see out of the window of the train. Let's practice together. Listen to the first one. I traveled by train and I saw a cow. Now you say that. Yes. Then the next person will add something else. Listen. I traveled by train and I saw a cow and some horses. Say that now. Lovely. Let's add something else now. I traveled by train and I saw a cow, some horses, and children playing. Say that, please. Well done! Let's carry on adding other things that you could see out of the window of a train. Who wants a turn now? You are doing so well. Well done, grade 4s.